Okay, so the Mr. Wiggles get down is pretty easy. You just go onto your knee and you sort of do a reverse coffee grinder and out. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like. So, boom, boom. Cool? So you're going from your top rocks, so you're doing spreads, drop, boom. Cool? So that's initially what it looks like. It's pretty easy. It doesn't look, it may look difficult, especially if this is the first time you're watching it, but it's a lot easier once you understand how it's broken down. So wherever you're coming from, say you're just standing, I'm going to drop down onto my right knee. If you're mirroring me, it's probably going to be your left. But anyways, I'm dropping from my right. I'm going to reach down onto my right knee. Okay, and at the same time, I'm reaching with my hands. Okay, notice my hand positioning. If you're new to this, I have my hand positioning here. I actually made you guys a video. It's a part of another video in terms of warm-up videos, but I actually explained to you the importance of hand positioning. You're gonna either watch it here right now or you can watch it later. But my hand position's right here to give me a little extra leverage, or allow me to be a little lighter in terms of my footwork and just moving around. Because if I'm here, I'm a lot lower, and it makes me have to work a little bit more than I should when it comes to doing my footwork and everything else. So I come here, I complete tangent, I know. From here, I swing this left leg behind, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get onto my left hand here, right here, and I hop over my right, boom, and then I'm right there, okay? So let me reverse that, okay? That wasn't as smooth as I thought it would be, okay? So from here, I'm swinging back, catch with my left. As soon as it's about to, as soon as I can't swing on its own anymore, I hop over, and I'm facing the front. Okay. Similarly, let me face the 45 so you guys can see another angle. So I'm gonna give it some numbers so you can understand it a little bit better. Okay. So I'm gonna go 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go 1, swing 2. Okay. This is swing 2, hand down 2. Okay. Swing 2, hop 3. Okay. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to be facing here. 6, 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3. Cool. I'm going to face this way so you can see another angle. So 6, 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's the pictures. I'm doing the count, so you can see different pictures of where your body needs to be when you're practicing it on your own. When it goes faster, it's not a hit, it's more of a one quick motion. Okay? So I'm gonna do it one more time in this angle for you guys to get it. So for the pictures, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Cool? So now let's do that in 2 counts. Okay? Because in reality it goes 1, 2. Okay? So 1, 2. Okay? Because once you're down here, 1, you're already swinging back and catching. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let me face this way real quick. So 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, this is 1, 2. Okay, that's the counts when the move starts getting faster. Cool. So let's do that a couple times. Front, 45, and then side, and then we'll wrap it up from there. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay? From here, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. From here, you can switch CCs, you can hook, slide, whatever you want to do. Anyways, let's go to the profile view. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Cool. And there you have it. It's a very simple get down. It's not too hard. It can look hard, but I'll just practice it. The more you get it, the better. If you're having any difficulty in terms of how to get the move down, all you gotta do is leave a comment right down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love helping you guys get these moves down correctly, and help you guys become an overall better dancer. And I hope you guys are having fun, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.